Welcome to my channel viewers. Today we will discuss about latest technical news. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel so that I can create more such videos. So let's start. First in our list is the data breach on CSC Bhim site that puts 70 lakhs of Indians' highly sensitive data at risk. Aadhaar cards, caste certificates and other highly sensitive personal data of over 70 lakh Indians have reportedly been exposed by a government website. The CSC Bhim website used to promote UPI payments app Bhim reportedly suffered a massive data breach. According to Israeli cybersecurity company VPN Mentor, 409 GB of data of users in India have been exposed, which includes a huge amount of highly sensitive personally identifiable information. The vulnerability was detected first on 23rd of April and it is said that the loophole was fixed already on May 22nd. Second in our list is Poco X2. Now as you all know that Poco X2 is quite famous because of its camera and because of its price range. But Poco X2 is getting a price revision in India nearly 3 months after its launch in the country. Poco X2 comes in 3 storage variants and the prices of 2 of the variants have been increased by Rs 500, while the top variant of the smartphone still costs the same as the increased price of GST revision. Both 64 GB and 128 GB storage variants of the Poco X2 are now listed on Flipkart with revised pricing. To recall, Poco X2 comes with 120Hz display, quad rear cameras and 4500 mAh of battery. It is also powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of onboard storage. Next in our list is PUBG Mobile. Now PUBG Mobile is our favorite mobile game. PUBG Mobile has got a new mode called Jungle Adventure after several teasers. It is an addition to the relatively small Sandhawk map and brings new mechanics and features to the highly popular game. The jungle themed update brings totems, jungle food and hot air balloons to the game, but players will have to be lucky to try it out right away as they have a random chance of entering into the jungle adventure mode. The updated version of the game is now available on both Android and Apple devices. Next in our list is Apple. Apple has reportedly paid an Indian developer $1 lakh, that is roughly around 75.3 lakh, for finding a critical bug in the sign in with Apple process on its devices. The 27-year-old developer named Bhavuk Jain had discovered a zero-day bug in the sign in with Apple process that could have allowed hackers to gain access to the user's account where they were trying to sign in. The Cupertino-based company acknowledged this bug and stated that it had investigated and patched it, adding that this flaw was not exploited yet. Next in our list is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India or TRAI. TRAI has said that as per its recommendations, the country will continue with 10-digit numbering for mobile telephone services and it has categorically rejected shifting to 11-digit mobile numbering plan. A statement by TRAI with subject line states clarification regarding TRAI recommendations on ensuring adequate numbering resources for fixed line and mobile services issued on 29th May 2020. Next in our list is Mi Band 5. Now Mi Band 5, the next generation fitness tracker by Xiaomi, will launch on June 11. The company announced the development on Weibo. However, the pricing or the key specifications of the smart band are not yet revealed. Although reports have tipped several specifications of the Xiaomi smart band that is said to include Amazon's Alexa voice assistant and NFC support. It is also speculated that the upcoming fitness tracker by Xiaomi will come with a larger display and a newly designed charger.
Last in our list is Remove China Apps. This app was an Android app that claimed to identify China made apps on your Android made phones and remove them. This app was on the top spot in the top free app list in Play Store, but Google has removed it from the Play Store, just like the Mitro app, which was again an alternative to TikTok. Mitro app was also gained popularity in short time, but as per Google's policy, it has been removed.
These are the all latest tech news right now available. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that I can create more such videos and you don't miss any notification.